G'day my Wongutha friends. Tell me, have you ever had trouble with bad spirits? Perhaps you're afraid of them and their boss, the devil. But we don't want to be afraid of them because Jesus is stronger than the bad spirits and their boss, the devil. Just trust Jesus properly and keep on trusting him. When Jesus was on earth, he often came across people who were troubled by bad spirits. One day near Lake Galilee, they came to a place where there was a man that had a bad spirit in him. He was mad. He camped in the cemetery there. That man walked around the cemetery naked and all over the hills there, and he yelled out and screamed all the time and cut himself with stones. People couldn't tie him up, not even with chains. He just broke those chains every time. When Jesus got out of that boat, that mad man saw him from a long way off and ran straight up to Jesus. And Jesus said to the bad spirit, "Come out of that man." But the spirit in him made him yell at Jesus, saying, "Why did you come here? I know you. You're Jesus. You're the Son of God. Promise me that you won't hurt me." Jesus said to him, "What's your name?" He said, "Our name is Big Mob. You see, we are a mob of bad spirits inside this man." So Jesus sent those bad spirits out of the man and let them go into a herd of 2,000 pigs nearby. Then those pigs went mad, and they ran down the steep hill into the lake, and they drowned themselves in the water. A lot of people wanted to see what happened, so they ran out to the place where Jesus was. What they saw was the man who had been mad sitting down quietly and wearing clothes. He wasn't mad anymore. Then those people got frightened. Then all that mob started to ask Jesus strongly to go away from their country and leave them alone. That's strange, isn't it? Jesus listened to them and he started to get into the boat. Then the man that used to have the bad spirits in him asked Jesus, "Please, can I come with you?" Jesus said, "No, I want you to go back to your family and to your own mob. I want you to tell everybody about the good things that God has done for you." Then that man went home to his town in Decapolis and he told everybody that story. He told all about the good things that Jesus had done for him. Everybody that heard him was really surprised because they remembered what he had been like before. From this story we see that Jesus is more powerful than bad spirits and he can protect us from them. You just have to trust him. G'day and God bless.